Hi dear guys, sorry for my language. If you want this 3D model export with texture, please click this model and get file archive. Please click and please click desktop and write your 3D model name, Rook simple, and please click save. Please wait. Okay, this is your 3D model, and please click right mouse and please what is okay, open this model and max file. If you want, delete and Rook simple, please open, enter. Opening now. Well, this is this model is textured now. You will. I am closed this model.